Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I want to talk a little bit about HOA. In California, where I do the majority of my work, you're going to have the condos, you're going to have some neighborhoods that have an HOA, which is in control of the outside of your house, what you're able to do, what you're not able to do, things of that nature. So windows directly correlate with that. If you're going to replace your windows or get bids, things of that nature, you have to know what is allowed in your HOA and what is not. So quick story, I had a customer who had to pull out all the windows that they had just had installed probably a few months before, because she was battling back and forth with the HOA. The HOA won, basically saying that you can't put that color of a window in this opening. She had to pull everything out, and then because the business who installed didn't do any legwork to find out if it was going to be okay or not, she didn't want to go with them. So she went with us, and we went out there and installed the bronze windows on the outside. So everything was to match the existing style of window. So you had to have a bronze window, and they didn't mind if it was vinyl. They just wanted to make sure that it was dark on the outside. So I'm standing in front of this vinyl window that is painted from the manufacturer, and this is going to have a full lifetime warranty. So we put something similar to this inside of her house, and the HOA saw it and said, fantastic, so this is great. The benefit to having an HOA, in my opinion, is yeah, you have suitability. Everything looks basically the same. The upkeep on the outside is going to be kept up well, so you know their neighborhoods are going to look very, very nice. The downside to an HOA is, well, you're being policed a little bit by what you're able to do, and again, what you're not able to do. Always, always make sure that if you're going to be doing a window replacement or anything like that, paintwork, anything to the outside, make sure you check with your HOA to find out what is good, what is not, what is acceptable. If they want vinyl or if they want aluminum, and just go from there. So just do a little bit of homework. HOA can be your friend or it can be your enemy, dependent on what your style is, what you're looking for. So hopefully this helps. Short and sweet, but definitely do your homework before you replace your windows if you live in an HOA area. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.